Hi there! If you've come across a video on Bluesky that you want to save to your device, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to download any Bluesky video quickly and easily using the free Circleboom Bluesky video downloader. Let's get started. First, find the post with the video you want to download. Click on the share icon. This might look like a curved arrow. Then select Copy Link to Post. Make sure you're copying the entire post link, not just trying to grab the video directly. Now, go to the Circleboom Bluesky video downloader. This is a completely free tool and works right from your browser. No sign up needed. You'll see an input box on the page. Paste the link you copied into that box and click the download button. Circleboom will quickly process the video and show you download options in different quality formats. Right-click on the version you prefer and select Save Link As to download the video to your device. That's it. You now have the Bluesky video saved. Easy, clean, and watermark-free. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more social media tools, tips, and tricks. Happy circle booming?